Good morning, everyone. I'm using my RC2 controller along with the Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro is powered off. And what I'm interested in today is the DJI Flight Simulator. I want to see if there are any updates in it. So I'm going to tap on the DJI Simulator link above there. And I'm going to tap on the three dots, commonly known as ellipses. And let's see, scene management. Let's tap on about. And I see here DJI Simulator current version is 1.0.2. A new version is available, so I'm going to tap on auto download via Wi-Fi since I am at home. And let's tap on new version. And let's download it. DJI Simulator, for your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. Okay, I'm not using my phone. So I'm going to tap on settings. Allow from this source. I'm going to tap on this to enable it. Okay, what's next? Let's hit that back button there. DJI doesn't make it easy. Okay, so having done that, I'm going to click on install. App installed. Let's tap on done. Let's give it a moment to see what it's going to do. All right, it takes me back out to this screen. Now let's go back into the Flight Simulator. So I'm going to tap on the DJI Simulator link at the very top there. And let's see what's new. Okay, I have, what's in the drone hangar? I see the DJI Air 3S and the Mavic 4 Pro, but not the Mini 4 Pro. Okay, that might be a non-issue, so let's go back. And let's tap on immersive flight. Okay, and I can see what has been added since the last update is another scenario or map, one for Stonehenge. Okay, I'm going to select Stonehenge, and I suppose it has to download because I see that download icon there. So download now, yes. And let's tap on Go Fly. All right, so here's the Stonehenge map or scenario. Once I placed the aircraft, I tapped on the Place Aircraft button there. And then I get this. All right, now what I want to see is if I can make some changes within settings. So I'm going to tap on the three dots up there. And let's go to safety. And I can see obstacle sensing action. I set mine to bypass in the real world. Return to home. Mine is set to optimal. I don't see an option in here to set this to imperial, so looks like I'm stuck with the metric system. So for now, I'll leave it at 100 meters. In the event of a signal loss, I want the drone to return to me. So it looks like that's the only settings that I have under safety, under control. The only thing I see in here is gain and expo tuning, and it's a stick mode. So let's go into gain and expo tuning. And again, everything in here is in meters. In the real world, mine is set to imperial. So I'm going to leave this alone for now. And let's go back. The stick mode looks like it's stuck in American, whatever that is. What mode 2? Button customization. I can customize the buttons. And for now, looks like the C1 button is what I have mine set to in the real world. The C2 button I have it set to cruise control. I'll check that out here in a few moments. So let's go back out and let's go into camera. And the only thing you can do in camera right now is to turn these grid lines on and off. As you can see here, I'm going to turn these all off for this tutorial. Under transmission, coming soon, and under about coming soon. All right, back out on the main screen. Let's tap on the waypoint icon on the left-hand side. Waypoints are coming soon. In the lower right-hand corner, I can see that it is set to auto. If I tap on that, I can put it in the pro mode. That's fine. And it is set to photos by default. I'm going to set this to video. Okay. And I don't want to fly at 4K 30 frames per second. Let's see if I can change that to 30 frames per second, and I'll see where I can do that. Here's my shutter speed. So I'm stuck right now with 4K 60 frames per second within the Flight Simulator. But if I go to auto, it's still at 4K 60 frames per second. So if I tap on that, nothing. And I can't change that in settings. So it's a non-issue because it looks like this Flight Simulator is evolving. So I'm going to put it into the pro mode. I'm happy with that. All right, looking at the attitude indicator, what is missing on that is the compass, north, east, west, and south. Let's tap on this. Okay, I get that. View after takeoff. Okay, I got it. All right, so let's take off. I'm in the normal mode, so I'm moving the sticks inward, and let's push up on the left stick to go up. The radar map is working, but you can't turn it on for now. Let's do this also. I'm going to start recording here to see if the simulator action here will be recorded. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to go in and turn on a grid line to see if I can fly through some stuff. So I'm going to go right in there. Let's go forward. Okay, I'll have to turn off obstacle avoidance here, or turn off obstacle sensing action. I'm going to turn that off for now. So as you can see, upper right hand corner obstacle avoidance is turned off. So I could crash the drone, but since this is a flight simulator, I just want to practice flying through some stuff. The radar map still works. That's good. So I'm going to turn this around and fly out this way and come back towards Stonehenge. Let's turn it around. I guess this would be great if you want to practice your skills in navigating through tight spots, and I'm relying on the grid lines to help me do that. So I'm dead center there. I'm going straight through. Obstacle avoidance is turned off. Made it. Okay, let's go out some more. And let's turn this around. And let's find a real tight spot here. Let's go over here. I'm gonna back up. Let's go through this one here. And again, the radar map still works. Whoa, I could have crashed it right there. Let's go through here. All right, let's go up. I can angle the camera down. There's Stonehenge down there. This is really nice. This is impressive. Let's tap on the C2 button and see if cruise control will work. Aircraft is in cruise control, so cruise control works. I'm going to put this in sports mode. And let's see how fast I can go. Okay, there's a boundary. I just want to know if there's a boundary. And there's Stonehenge down there. Now let's go back in and turn on obstacle sensing action. Oh, I must be in the normal mode to do that. Okay, let's go back out. All right, so let's I'm gonna go forward and then go down. I suppose this is a great way to practice different maneuvers. Let's see, since the quick shot function is not on here yet, I wonder if I can do a few things here. Let's try it. Okay, let's do this. Let's bring this back. I've got this centered right in the middle of Stonehenge, and I can go straight up like this. That simulates a rocket. I can also spin the left gimbal like that. While at the same time going up. I can bring it back down and spin the gimbal like this. So you can spend hours here practicing your the various stick moves. If you did not want to try your hand at, if you did not want to use the quick shot functions. Okay, that's pretty cool. So there's an update, and cruise control does work. And what I'm gathering here is that this flight simulator is evolving. So I expect that updates will come along periodically, and new functions that I didn't see in here will be added, such as, say, Imperial, under control. There are things missing in there. Under camera, you can't select the various profiles. That might be an issue since this is a flight simulator. Under transmission, there's nothing in there either. And under about, nothing there as well. So, and also out here in the main screen, the attitude indicator doesn't have the compass in it. So it's evolving. But what I'm seeing so far is impressive. So sorry to have taken you through this entire exercise, but I want you guys to see the mistakes that I made so that if you encounter these mistakes, you'll know what to do. So rather than just putting together a tutorial where I'm cutting out sections, I just want you to see the entire thing so you'll know what's going on. So until the next update on this, you guys have a great day.